Okay guys, for today's video, di ba, suportado naman natin si Manny Pacquiao eh. Di ba, may latest na engagement with Netflix, di ba, yung Physical Asia. Dahil nire-represent niya ang bansa natin, talagang nakaka-proud na nandun siya. Though merong mga comments na fame lang ang bag niya dun sa Team Philippines. But Manny Pacquiao is still an athlete. So, kung ginusto niya sumali doon, he deserves that spot. Ang hirap kaya sumali sa mga ganyan. Well, anyway, bakit natin pinag-usapan si Manny Pacquiao? Well, apparently, si Manny Pacquiao, hindi ko alam kung narinig nyo meron siyang nilabas na electronic wallet na tinatawag niyang, yan, MoneyPay. MoneyPay. Coming from his name, Manny Pacquiao. Kamusta to? Anong itsura nito? Okay ba to? Anong ganap regarding this MoneyPay? Well, yan ang pag-uusapan natin today. So, you would know kung para sa iyo ba itong MoneyPay or para lang siyang V-Bank ni Chavit Singson. Samahan niyo ako. Pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new in my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron na akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawan ko na ng videos and playlist na makikita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago ka dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Yeah, MoneyPay. Yeah, from his name, Manny Pacquiao. And why not, diba? Kilala si Manny Pacquiao. O diba? So magagamit niya yung fame niya dito sa nilabas niyang financial product. Okay, basahin natin itong news about this financial app na nilabas ni Manny Pacquiao. Sabi dito, Pacquiao launches MoneyPay to boost digital payment. Manila, Philippines, former senator and boxing icon Manny Pacquiao has launched a new financial platform under the 7-Pillar Integration System Corporation, aiming to provide Filipinos with a secure, low-cost, and fully local alternative for digital payment. MoneyPay app, which initially operates as a payment gateway, will soon evolve into a full-fledged e-wallet and remittance service, according to 7-Pillar President and CEO Mark Bundalian. The BSP has issued MoneyPay a temporary license to operate, giving the company 30 days to demonstrate compliance with regulatory standard. Pacquiao, who serves as the chairman of the 7-Pillar, said, "The idea of MoneyPay was inspired by a casual dinner conversation. It started when we ate at the restaurant and someone asked, 'Who's gonna pay?' Then they said, 'MoneyPay.'" Pacquiao recounted with a laugh. "The highlight for us is lower fees. We promise lower convenience charges, about 2 pesos per transaction compared with others. We'll also be connected to InstaPay in the coming days or weeks." Yeah. Guys, baka pwede naman kayo mag-subscribe and follow dito sa aking mga social media channel. Dito po sa YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, and even Instagram. So please follow and support. Medyo mahaba siya guys, but in essence, yun nga, they would want to compete with the existing e-wallet service with the likes of GCash, Maya. Etong duopoly ni GCash and Maya, ang hirap ng basagin. Yung mga other players natin, si Coins.ph, ang tagal na ni Coins.ph Even si Palawan Pay na nag-jump na din sa e-wallet service. Pero ang hirap basagin ng duopoly netong Maya and GCash. So sa tingin nyo ba, malaki ang tsansa na makipag-compete as a third placer itong MoneyPay? I tried downloading MoneyPay. Available siya sa iOS and sa Android. So upon downloading, I am trying to register and nung nag-enter na ako ng details at nag-request ng OTP, pagka-enter ng OTP, yan, ganyan yung error. So, akala ko ako lang, sinubukan ko sa iOS after sa Android, and ganun pa rin. So, eventually, sinilip ko yung comment section at pare-parehas kami ng experience. So, ito lang ang point ko. Ba't ka maglalagay ng app sa App Store or even sa Google Play Store kung hindi pa pala kayo ready? Di dapat nilagay nyo sa beta yan, tapos alam niyo yun, masyadong maaga yung announcement kung hindi pa pala ready yung app. Or pwede naman news na in-announce na magkakaroon nun, tapos coming soon this November. So mga ganun, di ba? Hindi yung ilalabas na nila kagad yung app, tapos magkakaroon na this IP address is not whitelisted. Ano ibig sabihin? Di ba? Kesa yung nag-download pa ako ng wala. Anyway, so hindi natin siya matetest talaga right now at wala tayong mabibigay na comment. But basing from the screenshots, mukhang for payment gateway right now nga. And eventually, ang goal is maging e-wallet siya. So once na maging available to, for sure, gagawin po natin to ng extensive review and ipapaalam ko rin po yan sa inyo. Okay, for our question of the day, so sa tingin niyo po ba, kaya ni MoneyPay maging third placer sa e-wallet service po natin? Kaya po ba niya? Ayan, let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance po kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Guys, before we end this video, malapit na po tayo mag 200,000 subscribers. And that is the next milestone na I'm aiming to reach. And based po dito sa analytics ko, mas marami pa pa rin po talaga ang nanonood sa akin na hindi nakasubscribe. Sana po tulungan niyo po ako ma-reach ang aking 200,000 milestone na subscribers. And once we reach the 200 milestone subscribers, magkakaroon na naman po tayo ng pa-cellphone giveaway or cash giveaway. Ano po bang mechanics nito? Well, kailangan nyo lang po sumagot ng question of the day natin, and then basically from this video na to, moving forward until we reach the 200,000 subscribers, mamimili po ako dito ng lucky winners ng either cellphone giveaway natin or 10,000 pesos in cash. So ano pa po ba ang hinihintay nyo? Di sumagot na po kayo ng question of the day natin dito po sa comment section sa baba. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end this video, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay Nala Ong at Nala Ong 594. Ang sabi po niya, pa-shoutout po. I'm always watching your videos because I learned a lot, especially about SPay Later, Atome, and GCash updates. Wow, thank you naman po kay Miss Nala Ong. Shoutout po sa inyo, and sana po may natutunan po kayo sa mga videos na ginagawa ko. Maraming salamat po sa suporta. I hope you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala nang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabing subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!